Morning, lovely people. Mr. M here, Beast Double Arrow. Okay, guys, yeah, we currently in a live trade. Okay, as you can see, the market is moving. Okay, we are currently 61 pips in a minus, as you guys can see there. 61 pips in a minus, but that's fine. We know our software. We have confidence in our software. And yeah, as you can see, it's a live trade. Okay, IC Markets live. All right, not a demo. Okay, it's a live account, and we're currently running in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 trades. As you guys can see, we're in 10 trades. Sorry about that. And yeah, we entered round about here, guys. We entered round about here. So let's see what the market does. Okay, I will keep you guys posted whether this trade lose or whether this trade win. I'll come back and post the results. Okay, so you know what I'm gonna do is let's open another couple of trades here. So we're gonna go another 1, 2, just put the volume on here. Okay, so we're opening 1, we got 12, so we got 13, 14. Okay, so now we got 15 trades running, guys. We have 15 trades running, as you guys can see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so we're confident in our software. I will give you guys an update a bit later. Yeah, so it's either we win or we lose. That's it. Okay, we currently 119 pips in a minus. I'm fine with that. My account can handle that drawdown. It's as simple as that. Okay, so this is Mr. M standing by. I'll see you guys later. Ciao for now. Hi guys, Mr. M here. We're back again. Okay, so this is an update of the trade. Okay, I think I was over over 100 pips in a minus. Okay, when before I paused the video. Okay, so now currently we're running at 194 pips in a profit. Okay, yeah guys, so that if you're confident in your system. Okay, if you trust your system, you follow your rules, what can go wrong? Okay, I'm not saying the system win 100% of the time. There's no system that wins 100% of the time. But yeah, as you guys can see, we're still in 15 trades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Date and time are still the same. Okay, we're still on the 24th of the 5th, 2022. Okay, and yes guys, as usual, live account, it's not a demo, it's a live account. Okay, and the pair we're trading is the Usdcad. Okay, so yeah, I think that's fine for me. We actually 195 pips in a profit now. Okay, and I think I'm gonna start closing these trades now. Okay, yeah, okay, over 200 pips in a profit. So guys, it's very simple. Okay, all you need to do is follow your rules. Okay, adhere to the rules of the system. I've back tested the system. Okay, so I know what is possible. Okay, and I did tell you guys I'm gonna come back and tell you guys what the end result was or is, And as you guys can see, well, there with 233 pips in the profit now. So I think I'm gonna start closing now. I think we made enough. All right, so let us just see here. Okay, so we're still going down. Maybe I should hold it a little bit more. He's pulling back now, but I'm just concerned here the bounce of the trend of the channel line. That was my concern. And yes, we're still on the 5 minute. Okay, we're still on the 5 minute, as you can see. It's pulling back nicely now. Okay, but yeah, guys, that is it. So as you guys can see, 243 pips in a profit. Yeah, oh, it's pulling back very nicely, eh? It's pulling back very nicely. So I think I might hold on to it a little bit more, a little bit longer. And guys, yeah, so that is the beast for you guys. That is the beast for you. So if you guys are interested, sorry, feel free to contact me. Okay, all the details at the bottom. We'll leave a comment below. Okay, and what else was I gonna say? Oh, and a lot of guys is sending me messages for the trial system. Okay, for the 30-day trial period. Okay, guys, we no longer have the trial period available. The trial period is no more. Okay, we discontinued it. So so guys, yeah, so that we only have the live the live software. Okay, so you buy it. There's no monthly fees. Okay, you buy the system. It's yours for life. You can keep it. One account, one license per account number. Okay, one license per account number. All right, so guys, I think I'm gonna close now. 292 pips. Okay, I think I'm gonna close this trade now. So let's just open here. So let's just close all of them here. Close it in front of you. Okay, closing all our trades. Amen. Hey. So yeah, guys, it's not a demo. It's a live. Okay. Just why is it taking so long to close? Okay, there's freezing a bit now. It's freezing a bit. Okay, I don't know why it's freezing. Hey, this is not good, man. Okay. Still freezing, guys, so not sure why. Okay, let's continue. Maybe it's too much trades open. Let's close them all. Sure. Okay, let's close them all. Okay, so there we go, guys. All the trades are closed. Okay, all the trades is closed. I made my profit. I'm happy. So till the next video, Mr. M standing by. Ciao for now.